Hey guys, welcome back to Kinsey Lo. We are finally sitting down with you and doing another makeup video. Katie's going to be doing the same video next week because obviously I love how she does her makeup and we do it so differently. But today we're going to be doing a little 10-minute glow up challenge. This is going to be hard for me because, normally I give myself enough time in the morning to do like a everyday kind of, glam work appropriate look, but it probably takes me about half an hour. I would say like 20 to 30 minutes. So like this is gonna be rough. Katie's behind the camera and she's gonna time me. So we'll see how this goes. But yeah, I have all my products out in front of me. I've tried to pick things that I do reach for every day and hopefully can like speed the process along. And then also things that like might have like multi-use. Like honestly, I kind of have a plan in mind, but like if Katie's like, you have like 3 minutes left and I like am on step 3 of my routine, like I might have to like get creative. So, but if you're new, make sure to like and subscribe and just keep on watching. Okay.
Are you ready? Okay. Timer, start. I'll give you at 5 minutes, I'll tell you, and I'll tell you again at 2:30.
Wow, okay.
And then I'll give you a 1 minute warning.
Okay, cool.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna do my eyes first like I normally do. Don't need a mirror for this. We're fine.
I was gonna say no mirror, bold.
Bold. You know what? This is just like a normal little primer. This is Smashbox 24-hour primer. It's the only primer I use. Tried and true. Legit lasts for 24 hours. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. Next, we're gonna do eyes. So I'm gonna take just like a normal tapered blending brush and the Becca Ombre palette, and I'm taking this shade right here. It's just like a very, I don't know, everyday kind of warm brown. This is like my favorite thing to do if I like legit have no time and like instead of like just having mascara on, I'll put this in the crease. We'll see how the blending goes. I've been having this weird thing, Katie knows, where it's like I have this weird patch on my skin on my left eye that's like not taking any product lately. And it's like if I do a darker look, you can tell. If I do a look like this, you might not be able to tell, especially like how far away the camera is. But it's like really annoying. I feel like I need to go to Sephora and be like, can you please advise like how I fix this issue? Thank you. All right, next for the eyes, I'm taking the Olivia Jade Sephora Collection palette. And I'm gonna mix, I actually don't know what the names are. They're really cute names though. This peach color and this like kind of pinky color. Oh my God, I'm like, okay. I'm going for like a rosy kind of peachy color. Not too peach because I'm still trying to like ride the winter makeup out. I was like really pale and unself-tanned the other day. So I was like, oh my God, I love your fall lip. And I was like, this literally just looks fall because I'm like Casper the Ghost right now. Oh, this is looking like a little more gold, Olivia Jade. Interesting, but like that's okay. I'm actually wearing gold today instead of rose gold, so like maybe that's for the better. Yeah. I feel like I'm like already taking too long on the eyes, so SOS. I'm just blending that all together. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the brown shade. This is like really nice if you like have smaller eyes and you want to like kind of make them look a little bit bigger and you like create a little contour, if you will, for yourself. All right, then, oh, I need that again. Okay. I'm just gonna take those two Olivia Jade shades, and smudge under that. Alright. Mascara is next. Oh my god, this is gonna be hard because like having it mirror like this, just like it's not how I do when I already makeup. Are people ever weirded out by eyelash curlers? I know people that like don't use them because they're like scared of them. I don't know. Is that a thing? Using the Marc Jacobs Falling Noir mascara. Where am I at? Just curious.
6 minutes left.
Oh, okay. I feel like I can do this. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, you're doing a good job so far. You're already on mascara.
Okay, I feel like once I get the face down, it'll be gooch.
I feel like my issue is going to be mascara.
Oh yeah, it is. Because you take like... I have like no patience for mascara. This mascara is good because I trust it with my whole heart. Like I can just like throw it on. Like,
Okay, you're at 5 minutes.
okay. Wow. Alright. Primer. Rock Perfection. Alright, I actually might not use concealer because I feel like I don't really have that many what do you call it? Breakouts right now. Alright, I'm mixing the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I'm mixing 2 shades caramel and I think it's like golden beige. I like have been self-tanning a lot lately, so I just like, I'm not really sure if this is even gonna match, so like, enjoy this potential mess that could ensue.
You have 2 minutes and 30 seconds
Shut
left.
up, shut up. No, I don't. No, I
Yeah.
don't. Okay.
Time to pick it up, girl.
Alright. I feel like I wish I had a makeup wipe right now. Because this will be like gross. Put it all over. Go to your spine. I think it's our bronze. No, it has to be bronzer. We can't just like. This mirror is like so you can't see what's happening. So like, I don't know. All right, going with Mars Madly because tried and true.
1 minute left.
Oh my god. I hate that noise. Okay. I feel like I just like might have to cheat and add on a minute for a lip. Jeffree Star, Peach Goddess. Wow, I did a lot of glow up there, okay.
$20 seconds.
Oh my god. We didn't even get to the rest.
$10
Bring it home, Fenty. Alright, so I mean, okay. We got there. We got there.
Mm-hmm.
But two things I'm about to do right now that would have added on like, I don't know, 20 seconds. Just cause like I can't. I'm gonna put some eyebrow gel on really quick and get that taken care of. This takes like literally 2 seconds, so this is gonna be, we're just gonna round. Cause like, come on. I'm kind of like, okay, I am kind of surprised, like after doing that, like I am impressed with myself. Cause like, I do feel like I did like all the steps in 10 minutes. I may have just not taken like as much like care in what I was doing, if that makes any sense. Okay. And then the only other thing I'm gonna do is set all of this because like I'm actually going to brunch after this, you know what I mean? So like it'd be good if this would stay. So this is your base of peach mist. It smells really good. Okay, but this, I think we're here. This is the final look. So if I did this in 10 minutes, I hope I look better than I did before. But this is what we have here. But yeah, this is final look. I'm pretty happy with it. I did have another lip option that I kind of would have liked to do, but like, it's okay. We can gloss it out today. But yeah, you know, now I know that like this is possible to do if you're in a crunch. Like I'm gonna go out looking like this and like easy breezy little daytime look. But if you want to see Katie's 10-minute look, make sure you tune in next week for her video. And if you'd like to see more kind of like tutorial-ish makeup type videos, make sure you let us know in the comments. But until then, we will see you later. Bye.